You know what I say, man? Beauty, fashion, all that comes with a price. Like, you know, you see the women wearing them pretty heels. Y'all women, if you're a female walking the shelter, wearing them pretty heels, man, you know, your feet will be hurting, but they look good. With my fellas, man, you wearing what that suit, it looks all sharp, but it's a little uncomfortable. It ain't the best comfort. It don't feel like your jeans and sweats, you feel me? That's 37s. Looks great, but it comes with a price. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who. Back, baby, with another video. I think I'm gonna kick it with your boy Q today, guys. So, I got these 37s on here, guys, right? And just want to make a quick video of the pros and cons of 37-inch tires since I've been running them. Just some of the pros and cons of running 37. So, here we go. All right, first pro is, if you add 37s to your truck, let's say you're coming from a stock look, 33s or 35s, you're gonna automatically get maybe 1 or 2, depending on where you're coming from, 3 inches of lift when you add the 37s because it's a taller tire. So I can automatically tell you that my truck is definitely a lot taller now since I added the 37s. Like places I used to go in some garages I could fit super easy, I almost have a little trouble with that now since they have added the height. Number 2, this is probably my favorite part, is I can run a bigger wheel and still have a pretty meaty tire. So, you know, a lot of guys, they run like 24, 26 or something like that on like a 35, guys. You know, you kind of get that rubber band tire look. And I know a lot of guys don't like that. I think it does make the truck ride. It makes the ride, whatever we car or truck, a little bit rougher as opposed to with these 37s. You can see, look, man, look how much meat I still have on my tire. And this is a 24 by 12 inch wheel. And sometimes these 24s look small because of the freaking tire. It's so big. So that's what it is. You're not running rubber band tire looks. Also, I'm well protected. The ride still rides pretty dang smooth because I have a lot of tread, a lot of meat. And also, you know, I'm gonna say this, but it's hard to puncture these tires. This is a big, thick, beefy tire. So, you know, a little less risk of getting punctures and things like that. Or if you do get a nail, you know, maybe it won't go all the way through, you wanna get a leak, thing like that. So that's number 2. Number 3 is going to be fitment. Honestly, these 37s just look better on the truck. It looks like they belong on the truck from the jump as opposed to 35. Like, I'm just gonna take a step back and look. It just fills up the wheel well so much better than a 35. Like, it doesn't look like it skipped leg day. I always say that. It doesn't look like it skipped leg day. Is how I quote it. But yeah, it just fills up the wheel well better. Now, I'm not saying nothing is wrong with 35, guys. 35s are great. They look fine. Just my opinion here, these 37 look like they belong. Now, sometimes they do look a little too big on the truck. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Like at a distance, like, I'm not sure y'all can tell here, like how big they actually freaking look. They are huge, guys. Every time people see them in person, they're like, holy crap, these are some big tires. They really are. Now, we're gonna talk about the cons. Here's the cons of running 37, guys. And the first thing is, it's a big tire and it's gonna slow you down quite a freaking bit, guys. They are heavy. They are not light, and then also I added 24, so my truck is a lot slower, a lot heavier now. Only way you can get some of that speed back, people ask, bro, you gotta tune or re-gear, guys. That's really it. Tune or re-gear, and that's the only way you gonna get some of that power and speed back. But they are super big and they're heavy, so you're gonna be slower. Second thing is the cost. These 37, sorry, I thought a car was coming. Just show y'all where I'm at. I'm out here getting a video in the middle of the road for y'all. It's pretty quiet. It's not quiet, but not a heavy traffic area. So anyway, second thing, I say that, here come a car. Hold on. Second thing is going to be cost. These 37 Nitto Ridgegrapplers, guys, they're $3,000. You know, thanks to my partnership with Nitto, I got them for a discounted price, but I still paid money. I didn't get them for free. So these cost 50% more than the 35. So these 35s are about 14, 15, 1600. These are 3,000. So they are super expensive. They are not cheap. And that's why it's important to make sure you're rotating and balancing your tires properly, guys, because you want these to last. You paid a lot of money for these tires. Don't not rotate them and balance them properly. Trust me. Not only are they expensive just from the cost of getting them, also, if you want to re-gear your truck, because they add a lot of weight, as I explained in my first point, if you want to and want to get some of your power back, you're gonna have to re-gear. How you doing? Thank you. Oh, they was on the rush collar. Kind of scared me, I ain't see him coming. What was it? Oh, cost. So not only are they expensive, you're gonna lose power, you're gonna lose speed, they're heavy. So you're gonna have to, you might wanna re-gear, so that's additional cost when adding these 37s to your truck. Just makes everything a little bit more expensive if you wanna run them. And along with that, you're gonna lose gas mileage too. So it's just adding them, buying them, maybe re-gearing to get power back, and gas mileage is gonna go down, so it's gonna cost you more money at the end of the day. The third and last thing, guys, is it's harder to find shops that can balance and rotate and mount 37s. With my particular setup, 24 by 12 and 37s, a lot harder to find shops that do it. Even my shop where I get all my work done, Hopper Motorplex on my lifted truck, they're pretty good about it. They had to send my truck to another shop, their other shop down the street, to get them to mount and balance the 37 and 24. They like, it's just a little too big for what we have. So bigger wheels and tire packages, you're gonna run into finding a shop that can handle and balance and mount them, guys. It is, you cannot go to your regular dealership. Maybe some special Ford dealerships now, because this is becoming a popular trend. They're probably preparing and getting the proper tools to do this type of stuff. So just keep that in mind. It might just be a little harder to find somebody to help you mount, balance, and do all that stuff to your truck with your 37s. I just want to give y'all those quick points of what I kind of noticed since I had the 37s on my truck, guys. The pros and cons about it. I still think it looks great. Probably won't change it. I don't think I love the way they look. I love the way it makes the truck look as a whole. As y'all can see, it just looks freaking good, man. It just looks right on the truck. But you know what I say, man, beauty, fashion, all that comes with a price. Like, you know, you see the women wearing them pretty heels. Y'all women, if you're a female walking the shallow, wearing them pretty heels, man, you know, your feet gonna be hurting, but they look good. With my fellas, man, you wearing what, that suit, it looks all sharp, but it's a little uncomfortable. It ain't the best comfort. It don't feel like your jeans and sweats, you feel me? So yeah, that's 37s. Looks great, but it comes with a price. So anyway, that's all I got. It's your boy Q. I'll catch y'all next, baby. Peace.